Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Can you guys hear me fine? I always have some issues with Discord, not listening, not working. We got 30 minutes to market open. Nice. All right, cool. Microphone's working. We're going to have a nice day today. I'm going to send you guys a link to my YouTube so you guys can leave it running in the background. Just leave it running muted. It'll help me out a lot and it's free for you. Just takes 2 clicks. Not even, just takes 1 click. Thank you guys. So what am I looking at right now? Pretty much, I'm looking for like a retracement to the upside. So very, very key important area, right? So this area over here is a bearish fair value gap. This happened at around 18987 all the way down to this area here, which is 18916, just about. So this halfway point is at 18950. And then you can see if we're looking left, right? Starts over here, goes through here. Price action rejects off this, but not strong enough because the momentum is still extremely bullish. Then you have this bullish fair value gap that breaks through, but then it gets disrespected by this bearish fair value gap here too. So you have 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 3 fair value gaps in this area. And then you have a rejection of this area completely as well. So this area right here is extremely strong. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for price action to come back and test out this area, whether it be getting rejected off that and going down or breaking right through it and then breaking this all-time high yet again this week. For the weekly and daily, we are looking bullish, right? This is on the daily. We are still very, very bullish. Weekly is the same thing. We are still very, very bullish. So let's trade it with the trend, right? I get chopped up when I trade against the trend. But right now we're trading with the trend. We should be expecting a retracement. That's fine. You have this market structure here, an order block. And then I have my stop loss set right around here. I'm being a little bit aggressive, but hopefully that works out for me in my favor. Yeah, be very aggressive because like right here, I'm seeing all this movement here. So this is like a nice little area for me. And then we're looking at the actual sessions. Asia session started out here, went down. London session broke Asian session high, which means London session should be seeking Asian session low. And they're coming right back up. But right now it looks like it's priming for New York to come back up, tap into here, and then destroy everything down here. We'll see how it plays out. New York session, 25 minutes. Which indicator is what? I use easy algo indicators. The only thing that's not easy algo here is my kill zone indicator, which shows me my Asian session, London session, New York session. Everything else is easy algo SMC indicator, which shows my market structure shifts. And then I have easy algo V13. Kill zone indicator, is it free? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. I have it on my favorites. What's it called? ICT kill zones. Yeah, it's free. I'll share it with you guys right now. There you go. Free indicator. If you guys want the settings that I use, these are the settings that I use. I'm going to take a picture of it, put it in the chat. There's a reason I use these time frames. It's because, yeah, this is the most important thing, the time frames. These are the silver bullet hours across the different sessions. So like the New York silver bullet, London silver bullet, Asian silver bullet-ish, silver bullet-ish, because yeah, there's not much movement in Asian. As you can see over here from the start, the finish of Asian session, just 70 points, 71 points. Then if I also draw my fibs from current session high to current session low, which is right here, it should reject right there on the golden pocket. And then vice versa, because Asian went low to high. We're bouncing off this area here. All right, let's clean up the charts a bit. Get this off. Very nice candle structure, very nice. There's not really much holding this back. There's an order block here. $50-minute on my left, 4-hour on my right. Let me clean this up a bit too. One hour on the right. You know what? I kind of don't see this fair value gap holding because this wasn't a market structure shift. Yeah, it's an imbalance. It's a bearish fair value gap, but this did not cause a market structure shift. Now that I'm looking at it. So this should hold here. This is holding very well, actually. So this is a 1-hour order block. There's two 1-hour order blocks overlapping each other. We have red folder news as well for the USD at 10 a.m. If you guys can please open up my YouTube link, leave it running in the background. You can have it muted. It just helps me a lot as well. It's free for you. It does wonders for me. I would greatly appreciate it. playing hard to get. I like the market structure though. I'm gonna scale in. Let's even it out. Add another 2. 30. Nothing too crazy either. Where are we at right now? We're right over here. Let's say 45. So 1% risk. A little bit over 1% risk because it's 2,700. This is a 250K account. Yo, Mind Power, if you want to speak, let me know. I'll invite you to speak on the stage. Two minutes for this 15-minute candle to close. It's priming for excellence. The easy algo indicator is part of your pro subscription. Let me see if it's here in the Discord. Give me 1 second. It's free, but you have to add it in yourself as your own community script. Where are you? Over here where it says free community and then SFC indicator. Copying the link right now for you. Boom, right there. Follow the instructions. You're very welcome. Right now I'm copy trading across 5 accounts. I need to get 16,000, 15,000 in order to pass. This is what I'm looking at right now. They're all at 675 right now. It's tough, man. It's tough making 15,000, risking 1%. Fifteen minutes market open. This right here is my PA funded account. I had my microphone on mute. I just realized. But yeah, this one I'm risking like very, very little because I don't want to blow the account. I just need to get 2,000 in order to be able to withdraw funds, 2,500. And then my trailing drawdown is 2,500 as well. So if I'm only risking $200, I have 12 different tries before I can blow the account, as long as I don't over leverage. The other ones I've blown because I've over leveraged them. So that's what we're watching there. 21 is my lead account for my other PAs. This one's pulled back. We were at 800. There seems to be a delay. So there's a delay between this feed here, which is Tradeovate, and the feed on Rhythmic. The feed on Rhythmic is at least $200 more. So I'm looking at across all my 5 accounts on Rhythmic. All of them are at 830. Now they're at 900. This is barely at 500. Yeah, there's a delay with this, with Tradeovate. Right now we're looking at 937, 980. One of them just broke 1,000. All of them just broke 1,000. Market open, right? So a lot of people don't trade the market open or before the market open because it's extremely volatile. New York Stock Exchange opens up and there's just so much volume that comes in. It kind of makes it unpredictable at times. So honestly, like I'm at a good place right now. 925. I'll probably move my stop loss a little bit closer. So just in case if market does open and it goes against me, then I come out with a slight profit. But I'm expecting this to continue pumping up. Market structure is bullish. We just did a market structure shift here that's bullish. All we need to confirm this is a nice fair value gap like that. Just an imbalance, a push up, which I think that New York session is going to do. But at the end of the day, the market just does what it wants, right? Price action is going to do whatever the fuck it wants at the end of the day. But what's in our favor is we're trading with the trend. We're trading with the trend. We're bullish. We're looking for bullish entries. We're in a bullish position right now. PM session, like Asian session. I don't know where your PM is. Remember, this is worldwide. So your PM might be my AM. UTC -4, like New York session. You're on the East Coast. You're in LA. I was just on the West Coast last week actually. I was in Seattle. New York session sucks ass because you have to wake up at 5 a.m. But what you should focus on would be New York session. Asian session sucks, but you can get into the London session though. London session's what, like around 10 o'clock your time. You have to stay up a little bit later, but you can pretty much tap into the London session and New York session. It really depends on how you want to do it. West Coast sucks ass for trading, honestly, unless you're trading like crypto, because apparently there's like some great entries in the Asian session. But as a beginner, you should definitely practice with New York and London session. A lot more volume. That way, when you're playing out your price action, it flows a little bit better. Avoid any red folder news because you're not there yet. You have to be pretty well versed in the markets to be able to know how to trade red folder news because that's extreme volatility and there's a lot of manipulation in that. It's a really fast way to lose a lot of money very fast. Market open 7 minutes. What do you look like on the 1 minute? 1 minute looks lovely. I'm still floating 1,000 across all accounts. Yeah, West Coast sucks for trading. Bro, I was waking up at 5 a.m. every morning when I was in Seattle. I was there for a whole week due to work. Not fun, bro. Not fun. Up at 5 in the morning, trade for 2 hours, and then get started with my day. 1,200 across all accounts right now. Slight pullback, 1 minute. I'm moving my stop loss to a little bit above break even once 28 hits, 928. There's nothing really holding it back. Should break over this market structure very easily. Very nice little line right there. This is 1 minute. If you guys can't stomach the 1 minute chart, let me know. I have hard time digesting the 1 minute chart sometimes. It gives me hella anxiety. But I wanted to see how the market structure looks. It looks like a little step ladder, right? Boom. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low. Higher high-ish, right? Equal high. Moving that right there. Now it's a risk-free play. This would have been awesome getting in right here. Oh man, it's seeking my stop loss. Whack. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Nah, don't do that. 4 minutes. No fucking way, dude. It should just fucking pump. Three-minute chart. Oof. I'm gonna bust a nut. 1,400 across all 5 accounts. This says 800. This is delayed. Because the other accounts I have them like at 1,400. Oh, damn. That's a sweep. What price action is holding this down? This right here. 2 minutes. This is when you're trading before the open is so dangerous because look, we're seeing price action go up. We're seeing it develop to go up. Market structure shift up. Can't break through here for some reason. There's nothing really holding this shit back right here. This is ass, right? So it's uncertainty for another minute and a half. They could just fucking dump and then fucking moon. Right now it's just stuck right there. Yeah, it's going for the stop loss. This is ass. We were up 1500. See, now I could just explode up. $45 market open. I mean, Nvidia was doing really, really well this past week. Nvidia is part of the NAS 100, which is probably why this shit's making all-time highs every single week. Come on, hold for 20 seconds and just explode up. No, 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 no. Oh, fucking A. We were up 1500. One minute. Indecisive as fuck. Look at that. It wants to go up. There we go. It wants to go up. I know it does. Look at that. You motherfucker. Why'd you have to fucking stop me out? That was so unnecessary. Unnecessary. Yeah, we're just slowly watching it do what we wanted it to do. Yeah, we'll see how price action develops. We're gonna follow it on the 5 minute. There's a fair value gap right over here, and that's probably why I got rejected. Right there, boom. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna wait out of this. Looks like it's just gonna be ranging there for a bit. No clear direction right now. It's kind of stuck in a range on the 5 minute. 10 a.m. might give us a clearer indication of where it's gonna go. I have a win across all 5 of these accounts. Let me see. So I'm up $1,000 on each of these accounts per the day. One of them closed just under 1,000. Super weird. I don't know how that works out, but it is what it is. Yeah, one of them just closed out right under 1,000. These are challenge accounts, though. I'm being 100% transparent with you guys. I need to make 14,000 more in order for these to pass to funded accounts. Yeah, I don't want to overtrade, so I'm jumping off the charts. Thank you guys for joining me. I'll see you here, same time, same place tomorrow. And let's have a profitable rest of the week. Goodbye for now.